Hello, good morning. My name is Miss Abigail Rome. I am from the United Arab Emirates. I'm one of the senior Endourology staff nurse in the operating theater, and it is a privilege to be part of this conference where the nursing workshop really gave a big privilege for the staff nurses around the world to gather, share ideas, have an improvement in the quality and innovation, improving the patient's safety, as well as sharing ideas, knowledge, and the current practice that we are having in each and everybody's hospital. So we are looking forward for more conferences to attend and to participate, and hopefully be invited in the different part of the continent, like in Europe, in US, in Canada, where a lot of other co-nurses will be participating. So yeah, we are very happy to be part of this conference. Thank you.